Toyota's latest multimedia systems support multiple user profiles, perfect for families sharing vehicles. This feature is available on most Toyota vehicles with 8-inch or larger touchscreens, especially models from 2022 onwards. Here's what a typical Toyota multimedia system looks like. You can see the touchscreen interface with various apps and controls. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, start your vehicle and ensure the multimedia system is fully loaded. Step 1. Access the main settings by tapping the settings or gear icon on your home screen. You'll see a screen similar to this, with various system options available. Step 2. Navigate to the User Profile section. This might be labeled as User Profiles, Driver Profiles, or Personal Settings depending on your specific system. Step 3. Create your new profile. Select Add New Profile or the plus icon, then choose a name up to 12 characters long. You can also set a profile icon if available. Finally, Step 4. Configure your profile settings. You can customize audio preferences, climate control defaults, seat and mirror positions if equipped with memory seats, navigation preferences, and phone connectivity settings. Some newer Toyota models also allow profile management through the Toyota smartphone app, providing additional convenience for setup and synchronization. Once set up, your profile will automatically adjust settings when selected, providing a personalized driving experience and quick switching between different users of the vehicle. For newer Toyota models from 2023 onwards, there's an even more convenient way to manage profiles using your smartphone and the Toyota Connected Services app. Once you've set up profiles, there are multiple ways to switch between them. The system offers manual selection, automatic switching, and even key fob association for seamless transitions. Understanding how your profile data is stored is important for managing your settings effectively. Basic settings are stored locally in your vehicle's memory, while advanced systems can sync your preferences to the cloud. Toyota multimedia systems typically support between 4 to 6 user profiles per vehicle. This limitation ensures system performance while accommodating most family needs. If you encounter issues with profiles not saving or switching properly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. Always ensure your vehicle is in park during profile setup and keep your system software updated. These alternative methods and considerations will help you make the most of your Toyota's multi-profile system, ensuring a personalized driving experience for every user.